Good evening, dear students. Today we are start the chapter 22, data handling. Exercise 22. Question number first, define the terms. First one is data. It refers to the information in the form of numerical figure. When we are taken the information in the form of numerical figure, it is called the data. For example, the marks obtained by the 10 students of the class in the weekly test are 4, 5, 4, 6, 7, 3, 9, 10, 9, 4. So it is in the form of the numbers in the numerical figures. So it is called the data. Next term is raw data. Data obtained in the original form is called the raw data. So as it is the number I have written there, so these numbers are called the raw data. Next is third, array. Array is arranging the numerical figure in the ascending or an descending order is called an array. When we are arranging these numbers in the ascending or the descending order, then it is called the array. So here it is in the ascending order, so it is form the array. Next is fourth, tabulation of the data. What is the tabulation of data? Arranging the data in the systematic form in the form of the table is called the tabulation or the presentation of the data. When this data we are represent in the table, it is called the tabulation of the data. Next is observations. What is the observations? Each numerical figure in a data is called the observation. So in the given data we are given the 3, 4, 4, 3 times 5, then 6, then 7, then 9, 9 and 10. So here the numbers are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 and 10. These numbers are called the observation. Each numerical figure is called in a data is called an observation. Next is frequency. What is a frequency? Here the number of times a particular observation occur is called its frequency. So here you are see 3 came on the 1 time, so 1 is the frequency for 3. 4 is came on the 3 times, so 3 is the frequency for 4. Then 5 is came only 1 time, so frequency for 5 is 1. And 6 is only on the 1 time, so frequency of 6 is 1. Then for the 7 frequency is only 1. 9 is coming on 2 times, frequency for 9 is 2, and 10 is only 1 time, so the frequency is 1. So frequency of an observation is the number of times a particular observation occur is called its frequency. Next is statistics. It is the science that deal with the collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of the numerical data. So statistics is a science in which we have to collect the data, then presentation of the data, then analyzing, then interpretation of the numerical data. Next is question number second. The number of children in 25 families of a colony are given below. So these are the number of children in the 25 families. Now represent the above data in the form of the frequency distribution table. So first we are arrange this data in the ascending order. So first we are count the how many zeros. 0 means there is no child. So how many families there is no child? So there are 2 families where is no child. Then how many families there is only 1 child? So we are count the 1 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 families where are only the 1 child. Then how many families there are the 2 children? So we are count 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So there are how many families? There are 9 families where is only the 2 children. Then how many families? There are the 3 children. So we are count this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 families where are only the 3 children. And how many families? There are the 4 children. So 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 families where are the 4 children. Now we are arrange this data in the table form. first we are write the number of children. Here you are also write the observation. So here is how many observations? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the number of children 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now for the tally mark, we are count how many zeros are there. There are the 2 zeros. So for the 2 in the tally mark, we are draw the 2 vertical lines. So it is the number of families are 2. Next is 1 is how many times? 6 times. For the 1 6 time, we are draw the 6. For 6 we are doing the 4 vertical line and 1 slant line. This is represent the 5 and then 1 vertical line. It is represent the 6. Similarly 2, how many are 2? There are the 9 families where have the 2 children. So here we have to represent the 5 by the bundle and 4 vertical lines. So it is represent the 9. Next is 3. How many families? There are the 3 children. So there are the 5 families. So 5 is represented by the 1, 2, 3, 4 vertical line and 1 is the slant line. And there are the 3 families where I have the 4 children. So 3 is represented by the 3 vertical lines. So total numbers of the families are 25. Frequency table for the following. So here we are given the numbers. Observations are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are only these 5 numbers are given. So these are called the observations. So numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we are see 1 is coming how many times? 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we are draw the tally mark of the bundle of 5. Then frequency is 5. Next is 2. 2 is coming how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7 we are represent bundle of the 5 and 2 vertical line. Then 3 is how many times? You count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 3 on the 6 times for the tally mark. First for the 5 we are make the bundle of the 5 and 1 is for the vertical line. So it is represent 6. Now 4 is how many times? Here is 1 and 2. There is 4 only the 2 times. So we are draw 2 vertical lines and 2. Next is 5. 5 is how many times? You are see 1, 2 and 3. So there is 5 only the 3 times. So we are draw the 3 vertical lines in the tally mark and frequency is 3. Now we are total of this one, we get the 23. Next is fill in the blanks. First one is data means information in the form of numerical figures. Second is data obtained in the original form is called the raw data. Arranging the numerical figure in the ascending or the descending order, it is called the array. Then the number of times a particular observation occurs is called the frequency. Arrange the data in the form of the table is called the tabulation of the data or presentation of the data. Your homework is to complete the exercise 22 in your copy. Thank you.